Hello everybody, welcome to this short introductory video of learning how to use Trinket.io so that you'll be able to learn about Python. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know is the URL of Trinket.io, which is simply Trinket.io, and we'll enter the page. Now, when you enter this page, the first thing you want to do is to log in with your own account. So let's do that now. Once you enter the login page, you have 4 different options. You can log in with your Google, Clever, or Edmodo account, or you can also log in with a Trinket.io account, where you have to make it on your own, where through the sign-up page, and you have to fill out these details. Once you've done that, you'll be able to store any projects you make within Python. So once you have signed in, you'll be greeted with this homepage where you'll see any of your recent projects called Trinkets due to Trinket.io. But before we look at how this is stored, let's look at what a Python editor looks like. So in this Python editor, we have the ability to name our projects with appropriate names. But in this case, I'll just call it Python test. You also have the ability to save your project, which you should do because you want to keep storing all of your projects. And then, however, if you don't want to, say, have this project anymore, you can always delete that project with the trash bin sign. You'll also be presented with the main.py file, where this is the main place, main file, where you will usually put most of your Python code to use. And to run that Python code, you'll need to press this run button after every time you have completed your code. But now, with all that in mind, let's take a look at where these trinkets are actually stored. So, for every new trinket you make, it will always be at the top of the page. In this case, Python test is at the top of the page, but it will always come after the folders, where in this case, if you want to be more organized, you can create new folders with this folder button and create a new folder. And you'll be able to store all your projects inside that folder so you can become more organized. For example, the Robofun folder for myself. But with all that in mind, these are the basics to use Trinket.io so that you'll be able to learn about Python and be able to know where your projects are. So thank you for watching.